There are many wood router products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood routers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. WorkPro Compact Router. Rating 4.4. Smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment features. Ensure precise operation for a variety of cabinetry and woodworking applications. Rubber-wrapped handles for a comfortable grip and to reduce hand pressure for long-term work. The transparent dust hood controls flying wood chips and gives you an overview of the processing conditions. Multi-purpose accessories. The kit includes wrenches, a straight guide, a trimming guide, a dust collector, a template guide, 1/4 and 3/8 collet cones, and more. Straight guide rail stabilizes without deformation. Precise cutting. The trimming guide and template guide ensure precise machining. The spindle lock can be tightened with wrenches for safe use. Number 4. 18-volt Octane. Rating 4.6. Vacuum dust chute. Eliminates sawdust on workpiece when properly attached to 1/4 inches or 1 to 7/8 inches sizes. Quick release lever and micro adjust dial. 2 ways for easy depth adjustments. Soft start technology helps prevent gouges on work surface and extends motor life. Up to 15% more power than previous models. Battery and charger sold separately. Not eligible for LSA. Number 3. Ryobi P601 OnePlus. Rating 4.7. A set of LED lights on board this unit allow you to see your project clearly in less than optimal lighting conditions. Grips and overmold. Maintain a firm grip with the rubber coating that allows precision handling even in slippery conditions. Depth adjustment knob. Don't worry about having to use a tool. Fine-tune the depth of your cuts with the onboard easy-to-use knob. This sturdy base will keep this compact power tool stable while you perform a variety of tasks around the home or job site. A variety of Ryobi 18V lithium-ion batteries are compatible with this tool. Compatible battery models include the P100, P102, P103, P104, P105, P107, and P108. Number 2. Bosch 1617 EVS-PK. Wood. Rating 4.8. Kit can be used for a broad range of applications, including precise bit plunging, edge forming, slot cutting, laminate trimming, and dovetail cutting, making it one of the most widely used routers for woodworking. Aluminum construction makes this one of our most durable wood routers, yet with wooden handles on a fixed base and a soft grip handle on a plunge base. Ease of use. Rounded hardwood handles maximize user control. Microfine bit depth adjustment. Convenient. With the built-in constant response circuitry, our 1617 EVS-PK wood router will maintain a constant speed throughout the cut, so you get cleaner, more accurate results. Number 1. Cobalt 24V Max. Rating 5.0. Bare tool only. Battery and charger sold separate. The Cobalt 24-volt high-efficiency brushless motor generates 30,000 RPM for fast and accurate cuts. Tool-less rack and pinion fine height adjustment. Built-in LED light illuminates work surface for improved bit visibility. 6-mode speed control dial allows user to match the speed to the application. Compatible with all Cobalt 24-volt max batteries and chargers, sold separately. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.